What? My citrus twist is here. Anyway, I got my delivery notification earlier and I was just like, can I leave work early today? And they didn't get it. Anyway, finally made it home to my mailbox and look at this deliciousness. Oh, I love it. Unplugged. I believe they don't put the name on here. Look at that! Oh gosh, I'm sorry. I had not even flipped it over, as you could tell by my reaction. Status update. Oh, look, I didn't even realize that was 2 different stamps. No, it's 1 stamp. Okay, I see. That is so cute. Left on my own devices. That's never a good thing. Roaming on. Oh my gosh. Anyway, please hold. Okay. Anyway, nobody wants me to have my lovies in my life today. Anyway, I absolutely was so excited when I saw that sneak peek there. And bag. I got like trillions of those now. Look. Packed with love. Citrus twist. Everyday perfection. That's cute. Look at the ice cream. 2 adorbs. Breathing heavy as usual because, like I said, oh my gosh, look at that. Love with all you've got. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna flip. I saw that on Heba's My Little Journal. If you guys haven't checked her out, was it Heba's? I think it was Heba's. If y'all haven't checked her out, she's awesome. No, was it Heba's or Adele's? One of those. Getting my people confused because I watch them so late at night that I always love when they, and I know I've said this before, the little tape. Every picture tells a story. That's cute all by itself. Ooh, pineapple, me and JoJo. Me and my best friend. I don't know if I've ever told you that story. I'll tell you one day. Oh, what a wonderful thing life is. Keep the fun alive. That's cute. That's like some 80s Rainbow Bright thing or something, you know? That moment when, oh, that is too cute. Brand new experience. I love that. I love these beach bubbles. Inspired by all around me. That's nice. And date time. I don't have anything like that, so that's cool. Coffee and sunshine. Food, friends, sunshine. Summer loading, daily adventure. Go on road trips. Incident report. That's too cute. She did get that on there this time around. I think it'd been missing once or twice lately. I'm going to try and keep the shadow out of it as best as I can. Although I've not been great with my lighting. Cool. Love the ephemera on this set. And gold. She must have been like thinking of Adele on this one, because that's just, I mean, all of us, quite honestly. But there's a bunch of those in a little packet. That's just right up all our little alleys. Now, these are not black. I thought these were black. They are not, though. Let me take them out just to be on the safe side. No, they're like a green. There you go. Can you see it there? Those are black. Those are like a green, like a forest green. I love that they're puffy, though, and they're words. I do love that. You get your alphas, which are kind of like a bubblegum pink. And cardstock stickers. And, yep, cool beans. You can always use cardstock stickers. I think this was just an ephemera piece last time. I loved that shape. It's awesome, I think. Nice. Paper time. Cut parts. I wonder if my punch will fit around that. Change of plans. That's cute. So grateful for so much. Best of the best. Current faves. I tell you, gray gets me every time. Every time. Look at this beautimous paper. Just gonna flip through it real quick for you because I'm sure you guys have seen it. I just like to do mine because a lot of times the camera is pretty far away. I love this one. You guys see it? Oh, I love this one too. Oh, look at this one. On most people's unboxing, so I like to just kind of give you a better view of it, I guess. They are way more professional than I am, so that's just that though. So yeah, so my whole new aim is to do a few layouts, 2 to 3 layouts with this one kit here, stamps, papers, just this kit, and then incorporate into my other kits. So I will leave this till, because my next video besides this one's going to be a 12 by 12 layout. But before I go, I did want to show you some goodies I picked up from Hobby Lobby while they were on clearance. Well, I'm going to talk about those in a minute. Anyway, these were 50% off. 50%? Yeah. But aren't those adorable? I thought those would be cute to just stamp along the edge. And I can just toss those in my little bucket over here. I grabbed these because pretty safe to say I'm just addicted to stickers at this point. But look at these little tabby looking ones. I mean, these are just perfect. Little flare. They're starting to carry those. And then these were, I thought, cute little sentiments to stamp if you're doing like a cluster or whatnot. They're kind of like sarcastic-y, which I'm always a fan of. And this one you can actually cut out. Fussy cut this one and this one. This one too. So yeah. I thought they were really cute. And I'm getting ready to embark on doing my wedding album finally. 6 years in. So, you know, why not? Anyway, this one and this one's got a bunch of tiny ones on it. And I thought it would be good. Sorry. There's really no good angle for this. But the cameras, come on, those are adorbs. I thought these would be good for sprinkling. Anyway, they're at Hobby Lobby, and they are $4.99 for all of these. And there's one more I'm going to go back and get because they're florals. But I don't know why I didn't just go ahead and get it. I do that. And I don't know if it's like the inner me being like, oh, it gives you a reason to go back, and me being just weird. Anyway, I got these because if you look, they are 2 1/4 by 4 1/2. And my thought process was that they will fit in the Project Pocket Life cards. All we have to do is trim off this little hole right there, the 1/2 inch, and they're totally cool looking. So yeah, I grabbed them for $2.50. Figured me, why not? I have a million tags over there that I need to use up, so buying more probably wasn't a good idea, but here we are. So anyway, more stuff. And I did purchase this, but you guys probably already seen that in my other video if you watch. Haven't decided on which my next book's going to be just yet, so I feel like I need to see how this one goes first, I guess, to know if I need to invest $12 more into one, because, you know, coupon. So alright, so next time you see me will be a 12 by 12 layout, trying to mix it up a little bit for you guys. Alright, see you next time. Bye.